gave you my heart.
Aarohi?
Aarohi Mandal.
Oh, I love your name. And how old are you?
I am 5 years old.
5 years old. Good job. And let's see. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color, red.
Oh, red. Good job. Okay. My favorite color is red and blue. I like red and blue. Okay.
I like only red.
Only red. And you are wearing red.
Yes.
Oh, good job. Okay, so today we will talk about getting married. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. Let's see. I want to visit all the countries in the world. Do you want to come?
I don't go.
You don't go?
No.
If you want to go, where you want to go, if you can?
I am go to the park with my papa.
Oh, the park? How is the weather where you live? Is it hot or is it cold?
Is it hot? Very hot.
So hot. Good. Here, sometimes hot, sometimes cold.
Today is monsoon season. I can go to the outside.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. Here, one time it rained for 5 days. There was so much rain.
Yes. And the water lock.
Yes. Exactly.
There has 3 balloons.
3 bones?
Yes.
And what color is it?
Which one? The balloon.
The balloon, yeah, what color is it?
Is it red? Not the big one. It's small.
Oh, I see what you mean. Bravo, good job. Okay, now let's read this right here.
Okay. Summer is in a hot air balloon. Read with your tongue. Oh no! There is a hole in the balloon. Can you circle the balloon? No hole?
Yeah, the hole in the balloon, bravo.
Okay.
Where is it? Good job. Bravo, you got it. So, let's see.
Oh my God!
So there's only one hole, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
I am circling. You give next.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
I give you 2 stars?
Yes.
Yes, because you deserve it. I wish I can give you 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Now, Aarohi? I say it right, Aarohi?
Yes, I am listened.
Okay, so Aarohi, let's see what happens next now. So, Aarohi, can you help fix the balloon and guess where we are?
I don't know how to do.
It's okay. Let's see. Let's see this one right here. So we will have little clues and it will tell us where we are. So let's see this one right here, Aarohi.
Okay.
Okay, let's read this out loud.
Okay.
Okay, they are
married.
Married.
Married?
This one is she is a wife.
This one is wife and this one is husband.
Yes, exactly. You got it. So this one is the wife and this one is the husband. Nice work. Okay, this one right here. Let's read this.
She is not married. He is single. Yes.
Good job, single. Bravo. You got it. Now, let's read this out loud. So, Aarohi, you want to read the blue or the pink?
I am read the blue.
Okay, you read blue, I read pink.
Okay. Mine first.
One
My pants are green.
like jeans, or you wear it on your legs. So you say your parents are brown, my parents white, mix white and brown.
My pants is yellow.
Oh, so your pants like this, brown.
No, not brown. Oh, red, not yellow.
Okay, good job. And now this one, Aarohi. Now, Aarohi, I will read this and you will listen and repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is my
Husband.
bravo. Is she your wife? Try
Yeah.
reading it. Yes.
Yes, she is my wife. He is your husband.
Bravo, you got it. And they are married, you're right.
Yes.
And who is single?
I think he's single and she's single.
Okay. And what do you think this one is? Do you think they are single or they are maybe together, husband and wife?
They are single. They are not married.
Okay, yeah, they are not married, you're right. But maybe they married before. Do you like them? Why? So,
I like them this.
why do you like them?
I like it. Look like a doll.
Yeah, you're right. Good job. They look like the dolls. And how many?
How many? 3.
Bravo, you got it. 3. So let's see. So they are dolls. You are correct. And they fit inside each other. So there's
And the small one and big one inside this.
yes, exactly. You got it. Just like that. So like you said, small one and the big one and the bigger one.
Yes, I circle.
Good job. And now this one. Are they married? So look, this one and this one, they are together. So they are married.
Yes, they are married.
Good job. Now this one. Him. What do you think?
1 minute. I can't see. This one look like blue. What happened?
Oh, you can't see it?
Yes, this is look like blue. How to do?
So you can't
No,
see.
I'm fixed.
You fix it? Okay, good job. You're smart. You got it. And he is not what? He is not a husband or he is not a wife?
Which one?
So husband is for a man, a boy, and
boy. He's a single. He's done married.
yes, exactly. So he is not a husband. Good job. Okay, and now this one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, this one right here.
Again, I can't see.
Oh, you can't see it?
Yes.
Let's see. Can you see it now?
Again? Yes. I am. Again? This
Okay,
one.
so what do you think? This one right here is so he.
He married?
Yeah, he's married. Bravo. Good job.
He is husband. She is wife.
Bravo, exactly. Wife is for girl, husband is for boy, And he is married. You got it. Good job.
This double H.
Yeah, W for wife and H for husband.
Okay.
Bravo. Now last one. What about her? Single or married?
Tell me what? Which one?
Is she single or is she married?
I
Right
can't
here.
see where is. Oh, she's single.
Bravo, yes, single. And that means she is not a wife. Not a wife.
No.
Good job. Okay, now let's see. Are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, so fantastic. Here.
What is this in picture?
Good job. So what?
Candy house.
Oh, candy house. It does look like a candy house. So now let's see. So this is a postcard and it is a picture of a colorful building. My socks are green, so bravo. Now what about, he says my shirt is white.
Okay.
So which one is the shirt for the girl or for the boy?
I think this one is for the boy.
You're right, it is for the boy because he said my. If he said your, it's for the girl. But because he said my, it's for the boy. Bravo. So is the shirt for the boy or for the girl?
I think it's for the girl.
The girl. Yeah, it's the girl. Good job. So the girl, she says, my shoes are blue. So the shoes is for the girl. Now, this one. The girl, she says, my pants are blue. Where are the, okay, blue pants right here.
My pants is blue.
Bravo.
I found.
You found it?
This one for boy.
This one, maybe it looks for boy, but because the girl, she says, my pants are blue.
Oh, okay.
So who is it, the girl or the boy?
The girl.
The girl. Bravo. It's a little hard.
Where's this one? Purple one.
Yeah, so your pants are purple.
Boy.
Boy, you got it. Bravo.
This one is hard. This one is not hard. This one is easy.
Easy? Yes, because you're smart.
Great job. Thank you, please.
Yes, you're right. Yes, exactly.
So many food.
So,
my ball is blue. Your ball is red. My ball is red.
good job. Now this one right here. Which one do we do? My or your?
My pencil is red. My
Good job.
pencil is purple.
So let's switch it. This one is my, and this one is your.
My favorite color is red. I have a red pencil.
Okay, good job. Now let's see the next one. Maybe they will give us the clue. Okay, let's continue. So this one, the girl, she says. So flower is pink. Who is it, for the girl or the boy?
It's a girl.
Good job. So do we say my or your?
My
Good job.
flower is pink.
Bravo. Okay, now and this one is for the boy, so what do we say? Your or my?
This one for your flower is purple.
Bravo, you got it. Now let's see. So what's green?
Green one? Apple.
Yeah, apple. So your apple is green.
Not my apple is green. My apple is red.
Oh, for you, yes, your apple is red. But for this girl, her apple is green. And now this one, yellow. What is this?
Which one? Yellow. For boy.
For the boy, yeah. And yellow what?
Yellow one is a bad taste.
You like yellow apple or red apple or green apple?
I like red apple.
Good job. Like my sweatshirt right here, orange. And what is it? What is it called?
Mine is red.
Red and black. You got some red and black.
Look at me.
Yeah?
And this boy has a red candy.
You're right.
And blue balloon.